So in this video we're going to take a look at flash fill, and flash fill allows you to fill out data by example. So in this example here we have a set of email addresses, and the email addresses contain first name followed by a period followed by the last name and then at thecompany.com. And in this example, we want to extract out the first name, the last name, and the company from this list. And flash fill will allow us to do that pretty easily. To use flash fill, though, we have to provide it an example of what we want. So in the first name, for the first record, we're going to type out the first name and then the last name and the company. Now sometimes you might need to provide a couple more examples, so maybe 2 or 3 rows like this, but let's just try it out and see if this works. So to use flash fill, highlight the area you want to fill in, go to the data tab and select flash fill, and as you can see it's taken the first name of all of those email addresses. Now again, the same thing we can do for the last name, and it's gone ahead and gotten all the last names out of the email addresses. And we can do the same thing, actually this time instead of you going to the data tab and pressing flash fill, we're going to use the Control E keyboard shortcut. And there you go. And then we now have our names and company extracted from our email list.